Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix apps not installed as app is not competitive with your phone error. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Play Store application, tap on your Play Store. After that, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Setting. After that, tap on About. Scroll down little bit. Tap on Play Store version. Update Play Store. Tap on this. Tap on Got it. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your phone setting. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Find here apps. Tap on apps. Search here Chrome. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. Next, tap on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone power icon. Now reset your phone, restart your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.